Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful town, nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived two best friends, Tommy and Jack. They were like two peas in a pod, inseparable since they were toddlers. But as they grew older, it became clear that they were as different as night and day. Tommy was the troublemaker of the pair, known as the bad boy of the town. With his unruly hair, torn jeans, and a mischievous grin, he had a knack for finding trouble wherever he went. He was infamous for pulling pranks, skipping school, and often landing himself in detention. Jack, on the other hand, was the epitome of goodness. He was the good boy that every parent hoped their child would be like. Neatly dressed, polite, and always carrying a sense of responsibility, Jack was loved by everyone in the town. He excelled in school, helped his neighbors, and had a heart full of compassion. Despite their stark differences, their friendship remained unbreakable. Tommy's antics and rebellious nature didn't deter Jack from being his best friend. Jack always saw the potential for goodness in Tommy and believed that deep down, he was a great person. One sunny afternoon, as Tommy and Jack lounged beneath the shade of a giant oak tree, they had a heart-to-heart conversation. Jack said, "Tommy, you can be so much more than what you've been labeled as, the bad boy of the town. You have a lot of potential, and I believe you can do great things." Tommy, surprised by Jack's words, scratched his head. "You really think so, Jack? I mean, I've always been the troublemaker and everyone expects me to mess up." Jack smiled reassuringly. "I do, Tommy. I see the good in you, even when you can't. And I'm willing to help you become a better version of yourself. You don't have to change overnight, but let's take small steps together." From that day on, the two friends embarked on a journey of transformation. Jack mentored Tommy in his studies, teaching him the joy of learning. They volunteered together at the local community center, where Tommy's natural charisma and energy brightened the spirits of those they helped. As the weeks turned into months, Tommy began to notice a change in himself. He no longer felt the need to rebel or seek trouble. Instead, he found fulfillment in making positive contributions to their community. Their friendship flourished even more as Tommy's mischievous pranks turned into light-hearted jokes that brought laughter to everyone's face. With each passing day, the bad boy was shedding his old reputation. The town took notice of the change in Tommy and applauded the good boy Jack for his influence on his friend. But Jack, in his humility, always gave the credit to Tommy, saying, "He had the potential all along. I just helped him realize it." As the years went by, Tommy transformed into a responsible, kind, and caring young man. He became a pillar of support for his family, a mentor to younger kids, and an inspiration to those who thought change was impossible. The bad boy was gone, replaced by a beacon of hope and positivity. The tale of two best friends, one once known as the bad boy and the other as the good boy, served as a testament to the power of friendship and the potential for change in everyone. Together, Tommy and Jack showed that even the most unlikely of friends could inspire each other to become better versions of themselves, and that with love, patience, and determination, anyone could choose the path of goodness.